how to take screenshot of WhatsApp profile. So if you want to take a screenshot of WhatsApp profile, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open your WhatsApp, now simply choose a chat. And once you've chosen, you can enlarge the profile or go for the profile photo, and here you can take a screenshot. And if you're taking a screenshot, then it says taking screenshot isn't allowed by the application. So what you need to do is you just need to tap on the profile and you can take a screenshot right now. So take a screenshot and go back to your gallery and choose the photo that you have just taken and go for edit. Under edit, you can simply go for the framing and you can crop your image. And once you've cropped, now go for the tick which is on the bottom right and then tap on save, and that's it, your image has been saved. So this is the profile picture. So that's how you can take a screenshot of the WhatsApp profile picture. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.